Magandang morning Thursday po sa inyong lahat. And share ko din po ang aking transformation journey with Herbalife. So ako po si Cheng Gilyarte. Just turned 33 pero hindi ko po na-feel na ako ay trentahin na. Ayan, so feel ko pa din po ako ay nasa 20s. Yan, amazing um, results with Herbalife. So nag-start din po ako sa isang nutrition club and I'm also a product of Weight Loss Challenge. So tinuloy-tuloy ko po yung program, pinalo ko po yung meal guide, yung personalized meal guide na binigay sa akin ng aking coach. And with that po, for the first 2 months, nag-lose po ako ng 25 pounds. And what I really love about is yung nag-gain kong energy and yung na-improve na aking concern sa aking health. And of course, yung community na meron with Herbalife na yung mga tao ay laging positive, happy, mataas ang energy. Ayan. And to continue with my transformation, ginamit ko din po siya sa aking sports nutrition as a Dragon Boat athlete up until now, of course. And sa aking two healthy pregnancies, I have two Herbalife kids. Sila din po ay nakipag-unahan na magtimpla ng breakfast, most especially yung ating Formula One shake. And up until now that I am on my second journey ng breastfeeding, 3 years and going 11 months, 3 years, 11 months of breastfeeding sa aking bunso. And to highlight some of my favorite products po, here are some NRG Extra Cal Herbalife line, Nightworks, Rebuild Strength Cell Complex, Formula 2 Vitamins and Minerals, Active Fiber Complex, and of course, yung ating healthy breakfast. Halos lahat na nga po talaga ng products ay nabanggit ko. And kung makakalimutan ko po pala, yung Soothing Aloe Gel, very helpful po, lalo na po sa aking mga anak. And also, ang aking total weight loss po ay 60 pounds and counting na po. And I'm so excited to get stronger, healthier with Herbalife and to live my best life with Herbalife. Ayan. So let's start na po sa ating topic for this morning. Okay, ang ating topic po for this morning ay fast track your fitness results with a balanced exercise plan. So makikita po natin ito sa website ng Herbalife, which is herbalife.com. Ayan. And this is an article from Samantha Clayton. So, of course, sa pagkuha ng ating balanced exercise plan, kailangan natin ng makakuha ng better and faster results. Yun naman yung gusto natin, di ba? So, kailangan nating i-customize yung mga workouts para ma-discover natin ano ba yung kulang sa ating routine. Ayan. And of course, ayan. So, when we take yung balance approach, of course, yun yung best approach para magkaroon tayo ng healthy, active lifestyle. And paano ba natin makukuha yung balance approach na yun? And ano pa yung mga benefits na yun? So una, matutulungan tayo to more accurately progress sa ating workout. What else? It may help us na ma-avoid yung mga hindi natin inaasahang injuries. And of course, ma-enhance yung overall results natin. And matulungan din tayong ma-reach yung goals natin ng mas mabilis. Okay? So, ano ba yung 4 elements of exercise na kailangan sa ating exercise plan? So, lahat tayo merong mga interest, meron tayong mga likes, meron tayong mga hindi gusto when it comes to exercising, di ba? So, yung iba gusto sayaw-sayaw, yung iba um, ano lang, moderate exercise, yung iba naman gusto intense exercise. So, we really need to customize yung ating routine based sa, of course, kung ano yung interest mo, ano yung like mo, and ano yung mas mag-e-enjoy ka para mas maging more motivated tayo and dedicated tayo sa ating fitness goals. So number 1 po is the stretching. So if we stretch on a regular basis, it will help us to gain yung body confidence and make us become more conscious sa ating posture. Ayan. And what else? Yung stretching po is also great para mag-improve yung ating mga joints, yung ating mga flexibility sa muscles, and yung mga tension din sa ating muscles. Ayan. And yung dynamic warm-up stretches and yung mga static post-exercise stretching ay 10 minutes lang naman po ng ating time, but it will really make a difference sa ating mararamdaman when we do that 10 minutes stretching, di ba? So, kailangan po talaga ang stretching, of course, every before exercising and after exercising, which is the warm up and cool down. So, yan po yung unang element na kailangan sa ating exercise, stretching. And number 2 po is the cardio. So if we engage cardiovascular. So if we engage in the cardiovascular activity, of course, it is good for our heart and for burning excess calories. And of course, ano ba yung ating heart? Our heart is a muscle, and pushing it to work hard a few days each week may help improve our cardiac output or yung ating cardiovascular activity. Ayan. So, kapag tayo po ay nag-engage sa cardiovascular activity on a regular basis, ano pong maitutulong nito? It may lower yung ating overall resting heart rate, which is good for our long-term health. So, meron po bang mga running era dyan? Ayan, so takbo-takbo. And if we perform po ng moderately yung mga intense cardio-based activities, di ba? Ano po ba yung mga activities na yon? Like walking, running, cycling, dancing. Later po merong free dance workout with Coach Chow. Ayan, you can join. And also swimming. Pwede po yun. So, for at least 150 minutes po per week or 75 minutes per week of vigorous activity, or i-combine mo po yung dalawa, it will help um, us na mag-improve yung ating cardiovascular activity, and it will also help sa ating heart. So that's the second element. And the third one po is the strength. So strength is ito po yung mga resistance-based training. Kapag nilagay nyo po ito sa inyong routine, you can stimulate yung inyong mga muscle tissues. So by using just your body weight, or if you have weights, dumbbells, barbells, you can also use that on a regular basis. And this strength training can help also us to lose excess body fat and gain lean muscle mass. So hindi lang po tayo payat, but we also exercise our muscles and become musculados. Ayan, and wag po tayong matakot na kahit babae po na magmukhang musculado, but if we have more muscles, we are stronger. We are not just payat, no? We are just not skinny, kumbaga. And of course, it can also help na mag-burn ng more calories if you are doing resistance-based training. And tuwing kailan ba natin gagawin ng strength training? We can do this 3 to 4 times a week. Of course, with a combination of a protein-rich diet. So, di ba, kung meron kang meal guide, you can add this to your plan sa iyong fitness goals, and of course, para makatulong siya sa magandang results. And the last elements sa iyong exercise plan is the endurance. So these are the prolonged physical activity. So matetest ang endurance mo dyan para ma-improve yung ating muscular strength, ma-boost yung overall endurance level. So kapag nag-work ng efficiently yung heart and lungs, meron tayong more energy during the day, 'di ba? Sa lahat ng ating mga tasks every day. And para mag-improve din yung endurance, we just have to extend yung mga duration ng workouts. So kung dati nakakaya mo ay 5 repetitions, you can add 2, 3, ayan, in the following days or weeks, 'di ba? So kung i-increase mo lang yung bigat ng iyong binubuhat, so yun yung mga pag-extend ng duration ng workouts. So you can spend po at least one session per week when you focus on this endurance base sa iyong fitness plan. Ayan. And of course, lahat naman tayo ay may mga iba't ibang goals sa ating katawan. Gusto ko ganito lang ang aking shape. Okay, okay na ako dito. But when you take yung personalized approach to your plan, it's the best way to ensure that you are striving towards becoming your best self, 'di ba? So, pwede kang mag-decide how much yung mode ng training mo na i-incorporate mo para you are comfortable and you also feel best and great sa iyong workout, di ba? Hindi naman yung parang nape-pressure ka. And important din po na meron tayong exercise journal para po ma-experiment natin yung ating fitness plan pag nakuha mo na yung para sa iyo ay perfect exercise combination, 'di ba? Meron kang future reference. Ayan. And of course, this is the formula we have that we always remember that it's always 80% nutrition and 20% workout that will give us equivalent of 100% amazing results. 'Di ba? So, saan pa ba tayo kukuha ng nutrition? Of course, with our number one nutrition partner, Herbalife. And kung kayo po ay gusto nyo mag-start ng inyong fitness, you can download our Herbalife Hub. 'Di ba? This is open to all who wants to start their fitness journey. So you can track your um, walking, running, cycling, swimming, 'di ba? So ayan, meron din po diyang iba't ibang features pa, not just for tracking. Ayan. And I would like to share to you, ito po ang aking workout essentials. You can screenshot it para you can add it when you are exercising. My pre-workout po ay ating Formula 1 shake with HPIC, high protein iced coffee, or with PPP plus NRG for that boost of energy. And during po, I also drink sometimes yung Herbalife a high protein iced coffee during with the this drink, the tea bomb I called, because it's a mixture of aloe tea, probiotics, nightworks, and also sometimes yung active fiber complex sa cold water. And after workout is very important to recover, of course, Formula 2 vitamins and minerals kasi po tayo ay nagre-release ng mga toxins sa katawan when we are exercising, extra cal for our bones, Herbalife line for joints, and to rebuild strong, of course, my one and only favorite, rebuild strength. And you can screenshot po para you can try this during when you are exercising or if you are starting your fitness journey. So, i-share ko lang po sa inyo, I would like to highlight, ito po kung nag-viral sa inyong timeline. Just proud po because we have Pinoys and Pinays na nag-join po sa isang challenge na matitest din ang kanilang endurance, strength, grabe, cardio, physical Asia po. Of course, with Team Philippines, kung kayo po ay into your fitness, talagang makikita nyo po kung gaano po kalakas ang Pinas. Ayan. And this is on Netflix po. Ongoing po itong Physical Asia. So, ayan po sila. And with that po, We just have to say yes to good nutrition, of course, with Herbalife because we are the super brand in the Philippines and number one in the world. Thank you po and have a great day po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much, Coach Ching, for that topic. Wow, I'm amazed.